Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to block pop-up windows in the Mozilla Firefox web browser. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is select the menu icon up at the top right corner of the browser window. Just go ahead and left click on that, and then go down and select Settings. Now on the left side, you want to select Privacy and Security, and on the right side, you want to scroll down underneath Permissions, and then where it says Block Pop-up Windows, make sure that is checkmarked. And you can set exceptions in here as you so choose. So if there are certain websites that you do want to allow pop-ups for, you can enter them in here, and you can select Allow. And then if you ever change your mind, you want to remove certain websites, you can select them individually and then just remove the website, meaning that the universal setting will reapply to that web page. Or you can just go ahead and select remove all websites, which will clear out the filter in here or the white list. So pretty straightforward process. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.